In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix undeposited funds mistakes in QuickBooks Online. Undeposited funds is a helpful tool in QuickBooks Online. It acts like a temporary holding area for payments you've received but haven't yet deposited to the bank. It lets you group multiple customer payments into a single bank deposit, so what you record in QuickBooks matches what the bank shows. When entries land here incorrectly, though, it can cause confusing mismatches. Let's walk through how to review and fix that. Start by clicking the plus Create button. Under the Other section, choose Bank Deposit. At the top of the screen, look for the bank account field and select the bank account where the money should go. Picking the right account here is key, because this is what will appear on your bank register and your reports. Next, review the Received From section on the deposit screen. This is where QuickBooks lists everything currently sitting in undeposited funds. Make sure each payment listed looks right. You're checking that the payer, the date, and the amount match what you actually received. If you see payments that were accidentally entered into undeposited funds, they'll show up here too. If something is missing or incorrect, don't try to force it into this deposit. Click Cancel or Delete to back out of the deposit screen so you don't save anything by mistake. Then re-enter the item correctly using Receive Payment. While you're on the Receive Payment form, make sure the Deposit To or Undeposited Funds option is selected when you intend to include that payment in a grouped bank deposit. This keeps your workflow consistent and avoids duplicate entries. When you come back to the bank deposit screen, double-check that the Deposit To field or bank account field at the top points to the correct bank account. Also verify details like the payment method, the amount, and any memo you want to appear on the deposit. Clear, accurate memos make it easier to trace entries later. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. If you have more deposits to record, choose Save and New and Continue. A couple of quick habits will save you headaches. Always review undeposited funds before making bank deposits, and make sure each payment is recorded only once. These simple checks prevent mismatches between your bank account and your QuickBooks reports. That's how you fix a common mistake with undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.